bullish render cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2 and $3.78 by 2030. Market experts accept RNDR could reach $1.55 by 2025. Bearish render market cost expectation for 2023 is 35 cents. Render presentation. The crypto world was worked as a protected organization to improve existing document sharing innovation. What's more, pretty much every endeavor in the digital money market has a one-of-a-kind element that separates it from the opposition. Numerous financial backers have developed more inquisitive about the normal exchanging value as a result of the crypto world's record-breaking excessive cost expectation and possible benefit. One such crypto is the render token. Monetary consultants suggest going through the information gathered from central and specialized examinations to make a drawn-out render token cost expectation. There are certainly benefits to the crypto world. The autonomy of computerized cash opens up numerous conceivable outcomes. The organization gives conservative, adaptable money, calculated, and putting away options as steady coins and dApps develop, if numerous financial backers have any desire to partake. The opportunities at the most extreme cost of the render token increments. What is Render? The Render organization is changing the synthesis of advanced content by being the top provider of worldwide GPU-based delivering innovation. With the Render organization, you can get to GPU delivering capacities at a financially savvy cost and speed of inside delivering. It will probably connect clients looking for delivering position with other people who have free GPUs to execute these renders. Administrators connect the Render organization to their GPUs to get done with delivering projects utilizing OTOY. Clients move the RNDR token to the individual doing the delivering, while the OTOY gets a level of it for taking care of the installment and dealing with the Render organization. GPU proprietors can begin acquiring RNDR tokens when they've recorded their GPUs as hub administrators. On the Render organization, the GPU administrators deal with this by taking on tasks from creatives or individuals searching for delivering administrations who transfer their resources and have administrators allocated to them on the Render organization. The site gets a little part of the RNDR token dispersed to keep the organization running and help with exchanges. Relative Strength List. The RSI is a gifted development-based oscillator. The RSI is utilized to measure both the speed and the size of the render token cost forecast development. At the point when the RSI is diagrammed, it offers a visual means to follow a market's solid and flimsy spots, counting the crypto market's greatest cost and past all-time exorbitant cost, contingent upon cost development all through an exchanging meeting. The dependability or not entirely set in stone, delivering a reliable mark of energy and cost changes, regardless of the commonness of utilized speculation instruments and money-settled resources. The RSI has set up a good foundation for itself as a practical proportion of cost expectations. Force marker. Mother is known as an essential pointer that measures the pace of the cost of a render token speculation. It differentiates the cost of render token right now with the past all-time exorbitant cost. An oscillator going over and underneath the beginning stage is framed from the ongoing chart. It has no upper or lower limit and is a totally limitless oscillator. A superior use for GPU power. GPUs are utilized in the affirmation mine to ascertain erratic math issues to give the central security and dependability for their different cryptographic organizations. It utilizes a huge nature of GPU handling capacities. PAL mining, be that as it may, squanders GPU's maximum capacity and is characteristically insufficient. Render envisions extraordinary open doors in which our association is reinforced by the assignment for which GPUs are made. Acknowledging creative dreams. Advanced freedoms the executives, makers can save and recover their manages a blockchain network and the RNDR organization's record of the exchange's stockpiling framework. Render is as of now worth 44 cents USD. RNDR has moved 0.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $12,110,124. Render is as of now positioned 169 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $112,748,486 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Render to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Render Value Forecast 2023. Render, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The RNDR cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 66 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 62 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. RNDR is supposed to have a base worth of 53 cents. Render Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, render RNDR cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of RNDR will before long outperform $1.11. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the RNDR's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, RNDR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 88 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 97 cents. Render value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.55 and RNDR might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. RNDR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.42 and a low of $1.33 in 2025. Render value forecast 2026. On the off chance that render effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the RNDR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, RNDR will be green in 2026. The RNDR is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2, with a base cost of $1.78 and a typical cost of $1.87. Render value forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the RNDR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.31 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.22 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, RNDR has a greatest value worth of $2.44. Render value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.75. On the off chance that RNDR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.89. Neglecting to assemble the help RNDR needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.67. Render value expectation 2029. While RNDR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.11 and a yearly cost close above $3.33 in 2029. Render value forecast 2030. By 2030, render will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.55 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.78, averaging out at $3.64. Render value forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception